What's up, gang? And today is hump day. Not sure what's gonna be happening today as far as these apps, man. They've been doing I mean, my market have been kind of slow. Like I had a slow run last night, man. I can't believe from right this time now all the way up to about 8:30, man, UberEats was just horrible, man. It was just horrible for a Tuesday night. That was unusual because usually UberEats is doing pretty good on Tuesday, but shoot, man, last night they was like crazy. They was sending me all these ridiculous orders, man. $3 here, $3 there, $3 there, $6 here, 10, 12, 17, 23 miles. I mean, it was like that crazy, guys. And I'm like, man, what is going on with these apps? So, Doordash did a little bit, but it will dash now, and then it's gray. And you'll wait a few minutes, or another 30 minutes or so, an hour or so, and then you may get an opportunity to dash now again, turn red. You dash for about an hour or so, and then it's, then it'll turn gray again. It's like, man, it's like off and on like that all day yesterday. And so today is hump day, man. I don't even know what today is going to be like. I'm going to try to get out there and do a little something here. Hopefully I can share this with you guys. But it's just getting crazy out here, guys. I mean, have you noticed that it's always gray when you turn on the apps, and most especially DoorDash? It's like, it's always gray. It's so many people out here doing this, and it just, I mean, you can barely even get a slot in to work. A lot of times you may get an hour in the afternoons, but the majority of the time it's in the morning times, things like that. You can barely even get a schedule even made, even if you're a top dasher. It doesn't matter if you're a top dasher or not, because it's gonna say dash now is not available in these certain areas or wherever you're at. So what's the point? Tell me, guys, what is the point of being a top dasher when you can't? You top dashers out there, and you're supposed to be able to dash anytime you want or anytime you feel, but you can't because there's no dashing in the area available. So that's what you get. You have to sit there and monitor the apps and make sure, or try to schedule, get you at least slot in there. But it's getting tough, man. It's getting tough out here, guys, to make some money. And you're going to have to start turning to an alternative when things it's not working right. If DoorDash is your only main source and you love DoorDash, or you love even UberEats is getting ridiculous now because most of them don't decrease the base pay. So it's going to be horrible, man. It's horrible. Each time they keep changing stuff, and it's going to be a constantly ongoing thing like that, to where eventually, man, you ain't going to be able to hardly even make any money no more. So it's been those issues. So, but today's Wednesday. Want to sit up here and pop on here and talk to you guys for a minute. See how you guys are doing. What is your plan? What is your game plan? What is your strategy? What you're gonna use to try to get out there and get your grind on, get your hustle on? What are some topics? Your dashing plan. What is that gonna be like? If you're experiencing things like this in my like gray areas, you can't schedule a dash, no point in doing top dasher. You can snag them up when you fit, when it's available, but you can't dash because it ain't nothing available. So what are you gonna do? What's your game plan? Let's talk about it, man. Sure, I love